And hundreds of people have been charged for crimes related to the insurrection at the Capitol, and trials in several of those cases will begin later this year.
Yeah, let's go to Fox 5's Katie Barlow for her legal expertise. For an update now on where these criminal prosecutions stand. Katie?
1 year ago, rioters stormed the Capitol, disrupting Congress fulfilling their duty of certifying the 2020 election results. Rioters broke numerous federal laws that day, setting off the largest criminal investigation in the history of the United States. But little did they know, just steps from where the chaos ensued, that many of the rioters would have to reckon with the consequences of their actions that day in this building behind me, the United States District Court for the District of Columbia. 705 individuals have been charged. They hail from nearly every state in the country. They're overwhelmingly male, 614 men compared to 91 women, according to George Washington University's program on extremism. 172 of them have pleaded guilty, mostly to low-level crimes. A small few have been sentenced to prison time, including Robert Palmer from Florida, who was sentenced to more than 5 years in prison for assaulting police officers. Palmer sprayed a fire extinguisher at officers and threw the canister at them. Before he was sentenced, Palmer wrote a letter to his judge expressing regret and an understanding that Trump had lied to his supporters. Quote, "Little did I realize that they were the tyrannical ones desperate to hold on to power at any cost," Palmer wrote. Even by creating the chaos, they knew would happen with such rhetoric. But just a year into the investigation, the Justice Department and FBI still have a long way to go.
I think it's too early in the process to get a full picture of January 6th. If you look at the sentencing so far, they've been low-level misdemeanor crimes, the trespassing, taking selfies in the Senate rotunda, that type of thing. That's going to be probation, 30 days, 60 days. The more complex cases, the Oath Keepers, the Proud Boys, they're looking at much longer sentences. And so I wouldn't look at the early sentences as an indicator of where January 6th is going. I also wouldn't look at January 6th as the end date. The FBI is still working cases on the weekend. They're still looking for 250 different individuals.
The first trial in any Capitol riot case is scheduled to begin this February, but it may get pushed back due to complications with COVID. 17 members and associates of the Oath Keepers face charges of conspiracy and are scheduled to face trial in April. Processing these cases has not been easy. The sheer volume has strained resources at the Department of Justice, and prosecutors have received criticism for going easy on certain defendants.
On the one hand, it's a mob, so everyone counts. Everyone who's there is helping to overwhelm the police and prevent them from doing their jobs. So there is culpability. But on the other hand, it's just not the sort of thing that judges or even prosecutors typically want to put people in jail for.
The one question many folks are asking is what about President Donald Trump? And the answer is we don't know yet. Just yesterday, Attorney General Merrick Garland gave a speech saying the actions we've taken so far will not be the last. Obviously, the biggest investigation in the history of the United States takes time, and it's not finished. Back to you.
All right.